Welcome back to my channels. A computer for a long period of time will cause unnecessary strain and pain in the neck, shoulder, elbow, and wrist. So today, I teach you how to prop up your computer and make it more spine friendly. So you will need is a box or a few books to help you to prop up your laptop, as well as an external keyboard. So I just use the box to prop up the laptop and making sure the screen of the laptop serves as a monitor. And now I have my external keyboard sitting here. Okay, so when I'm at work, my eye level is right across from the screen rather than looking down or looking forward. This is really bad for your eyes too. So your eye level is with the screen and your keyboard is right below. You are start typing, your shoulder is 90 degrees to your elbows. So more of neutral positions to be in if you're going to spend a lot of time in front of computers. Okay, so in this positions, your shoulder is not shrugged, hunching forward, or actually not putting more additional strength to your neck and shoulder. But do keep in mind, try to stand up, stretch every half hour to 45 minutes to get your spine moving and alleviate all these tensions built up on your shoulders and neck. If you find this video helpful, please comment below and follow us for more. I'll see you next time.